Welcome. Today I'm going to make cream caramel and the ingredients are 4 eggs, 1 condensed milk and 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So the first thing I will do is melt the sugar. I will keep stirring it till it looks like this, very beautiful golden brown. I'll put this in my baking pan. At the bottom, I will use water so the sugar, when I put it in the oven, so it will not burn. Once I distribute the melted sugar in my baking pan, I'll set it aside. Now I will start mixing 4 eggs. Then I'll add 1 cup of milk and 1 can of condensed milk. I'll put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll mix everything together. After it's mixed, now I'll put this on my baking pan. In the meantime, I will preheat my oven at 350 degrees. Now I'll bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. In the oven, it looks puffy, but when we take it out of the oven, it will be flat. It's about 45 minutes, 50 minutes. I'll take it out in 5 minutes. I'll put it upside down to put it on my plate. It looks delicious. I'll cool it down before I serve it. It's a total of 12 servings. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe and click the first bell button. Share and comment. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.